Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to use checkboxes in Android. So first check what we are going to make in this example. We are going to make this application where the initial state of the application like this means no button is checked. When you checked any button, it will disappear from screen, and when you click on reset tab button, it will appear again with its state. So like this. So now make this application. First of all, we need to add some resources, string resources for our label. So click on resource manager, select string, and then click on add button and add some resources like banana, and then banana. Add one more resource for apple, and apple, and add one more label for plum, add one more label for reset app for our button, reset app. Okay, now design our app. Drag 3 checkboxes and one button on a screen. 1, 2, 3, and one button. One button. And check all the widgets and apply the constraint horizontal in parents. So all components should be align horizontally of parent, and you are able to see if we are not set constraint, this will not gone. Right now we are set horizontal constraint, but still these are visible. Please check what is they are saying. This will not contain constraint vertically, so apply vertical constraint. This, and apply constraint on this vertically and as well as on this one, and this one also button, and apply the label of all buttons. So I will show you how to change the label using design in design mode as well as in XML editing mode. In a design mode, you will click here and banana, and you will observe this thing. When I apply resource on a particular widgets, these warning will be disappear. What is the warning? It's saying hard-coded text attribute directly in layout field is bad or for server reasons. So it's not a recommended thing. You always avoid this thing. You always take all resources from your resource is not hard coded, so I am changing this in a XML way. So here I apply banana. Now I change this to apple, string apple, and here string plum, and also change the button of change the label of our button at string reset app. Now check it's applied and all warning is gone. So now provide the meaningful ID of these widgets. So you can change this to banana. CHK for checkbox means it will telling you it's a checkbox. Banana, yes, and this is check apple, okay, and another is check plum, check another, check this button btn reset app. So do programming to make our application functional. So first of all, declare required components which we define in layout file. Apple, checkbox, let init where apple plum checkbox. Now copy this and declare change this one to banana, and take one button, change this type to button and reset. Now initialize all these widgets. Find view by id, dot id, check apple, and copy and copy one more time and change this to banana, check banana, plum, check plum, reset, sorry, M is missing, plum, reset button, reset, and apply a listener on checkboxes. Apple set on check change listener, and if button is checked, means checkbox status is checked. Then hide the checkbox. Apple visibility is equal to view dot gone. Copy this, paste 2 more time for our banana and plum checkboxes. Plum and banana. Change this to banana and this to plum. Run our app. It will take some time, that's why I run now, and add apply a listener on our button so that we can reset our app. Reset. Set on on click. So copy this and paste 3 times. Change the visibility visible, so our all gone checkboxes should be visible when you click on this button. So we have done with our application. So it's loading. When it's loading, we will check it will be working fine or not. Meanwhile, we will discuss. Now our application is launched. You can see these buttons are working because we apply listener on this button, but it's not working because we don't apply anything here. So run our application again to check the whole functionality of our app. Wait, it will take some time to launch. Meanwhile, we will discuss some important point for this video. First important point is this checkbox has only 2 states which we can listen. One is checked and one is unchecked. When button is checkbox is checked, its value is true, and when it's unchecked, its value is false. And to align your widgets on a layout, you always need to apply constraint on all widgets. If you not apply constraint on a widgets when you are using constraint layout, then your layout here it will look fine, but on when you run your app on a device or emulator, it will mess up, and each and widgets overlap each another, and you are able to see only one widgets on a screen. And third important point which you need to remember is this: you always take these values from string resources and not hard coded in your XML or code. These are the points which you need to remember to design our layout. And for programming point of view, you will always give a meaningful ID names. You can easily use these IDs in your program. So our application is going to launch. So let's check we get desired output or not. Yes, click here, and when we click on reset, our button will be okay. There is a problem. We need to reset these two, apple and plum. Now restart, launch your application again. Earlier I have applied means on a reset I means visible only this component on all three lines. That's why our plum is not visible, and it is not taking any impact on plum and banana. So that's my mistake. So wait, after make changes, our application is launched. Now check problem is fixed or not. Click. Now it's fixed. Now hidden button will be visible on our reset button. So thanks for your time. Please subscribe, share and comment on my channel. Thank you very much.